Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Friends Label. Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Friends Label instead of following. In 2026, Instagram is officially rolling out the Friends label to replace the traditional following count on profiles. This shift emphasizes mutual connections, meaning accounts that follow you back to highlight a real world social circles over one-sided follows. Now how the friends label works. Unlike the old following list, the friend count specifically shows the number of people you follow who also follow you. This is a platform-wide test. If your account is selected, the label changes automatically from following to friends on your profile. You can still see the account you follow. Tap on the friends or followers account profile to open the menu, then toggle between followers and following at the top to see the full list. Now, however, it is not available in mine because I am not one of the selected ones, but if you are, you should be able to view it even in other people's account. Now, you should be able to find the friends option right over here. However, it is not shown over here because it's not shown in mine, but it should be available in yours. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.